So entrepreneurship, my friends, they are actually a learning journey. And this learning journey is not about learning about people. This entrepreneurship journey is learning about you. When you go to a place where you don't know what you will find, you'll be surprised that at the end of it, you found yourself.
No sleep, no chance, no need, forget about it. One life, live free, big dreams, we're all about them. You're finding it, take it in, it's all here. You and me, no one else, nothing else but us right now. And I ain't need nothing else.
Half the time when you meet salesmen, when you go in for negotiation, commercial negotiation, the guy sitting on the other side of the table does not believe in whatever he's saying. He's just doing it because he's got a KPI to hit, right? Very few people actually believe in the brand. When you have a group of people collectively who believe in the brand, then it starts to evolve.
You and I.
Hi, my name is Vivek. I'm a special needs tutor. With regards to branding, how do I brand myself as a tutor? Tell other people that I'm different in that sense.
Do you believe in what you do? Do you have a team of people with you? People need to experience you lah. Again, I go back to that statement, people don't buy products. You're not offering anything that is unique. I come in to a marketplace with $10. There are 4 service providers. Why do I choose to place my $10 with A instead of C? That's what you need to ask yourself. Unfortunately, and I've worked with so many CEOs, right? There's this biggest thing that is killing them. Is this thing called resistance to change. When you start something, you feel that you are right. Sometimes you're not, right? Your intent is right. Sometimes you need to tweak it a bit. Sometimes that needs to evolve a bit, But you need to be open to feedback. You need to be open to critique. So in your case, maybe I will do podcasts are really big now. I would do online discussions on special needs. So people who experience you know that they can trust you. You know what you're talking about. That's the first step. It's always about first step, right?
So thank you for coming to Entrepreneur Council social event. And I have with me Shooters Unlimited. So how have you found the event thus far?
Good networking. I mean, you have different people with different trade. So you share experience, you know what their expertise area, and I mean everybody can have to leverage on each other's strengths.
So which industry are you in?
In the IT industry.
What's your website?
techserve.com.sg.
techserve.com.sg. Thank you. See who's my next victim. Hello. Hi, I'm Lenara. You are?
Shakila.
Shakila, nice to meet you. And you are?
Rafida. Hi.
Nice to meet you, ladies. So I see that you guys have been busy networking. Just want to ask you something. How have you found the networking program so far?
For me, this is my very first networking session that I have ever since I run my own business. It has been very informative from the speakers, and it's nerve-wracking at first, but when you actually interact with all these people, they just all this the same common interest that you have that makes you feel comfortable, and you can just talk without actually feel like you have to plan on what you have to say.
I do just a sideline business. That is why I do now I'm known for the homemade ice cream. So I'm also famous for my bread butter pudding. So the reason why I'm here is actually to know more what is networking session is all about. And I think it's actually quite fun to actually know there's some people who can help me on my sideline business.
Okay, my website is shakilahamdan.com, ShakilaHamdan.com.
You will need to check me out at my Facebook. It's Appetite Patisserie. And you also can check me out at the Instagram also at Appetite Patisserie.
Thank you very much. So I shall leave you guys to continue your conversation, and I'll see you again later in a bit. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so now this table looks very interesting. Hello, hi. Have we met?
Yes.
Lenara, and you are?
Razi.
Razi, nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Manu.
Manu, nice to meet you.
Hi, Farhad.
Farhad, Lenara, nice to meet you. So how have you guys found the networking event so far?
It's been good because it's a good thing that we got to meet a lot of new people. People from different markets that we are not in, and how we can value add with them. So I think on the whole the event's been really, really good.
You guys are from which company?
We are from Flipside Stories. We are a media company doing audio video productions and media content basically.
What's your website?
It's www.flipside.com.sg.
Flipside! Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the networking event. I will see you later. Thank you.
So before I sign off, I'd like to tell all business owners to persevere. Believe in yourself, believe in your product, believe in your brand, believe in your people, and don't be shy. Just whack all the way and you will persevere. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, kita daripada SummerSlam Films ingin mengucapkan terima kasih kepada semua yang hadir dan network dengan kita, and we hope to be there for your event. Thank you.
We would like to take this opportunity to thank all of you for making time. It's definitely a successful event organising eCouncil Social 1. So we hope to look forward to see you again in the future when we organise Business Breakfast 2 on 1st of February. But I would like to specifically thank our sponsors, because a lot of things cannot happen without our sponsors making it possible in terms of videography, photography, and most importantly capturing every moment of this event. So check out the video and see all the happenings that we organise, and stay in touch with us, because we're doing all these networking events just so you have an opportunity to network. So thank you again for supporting Entrepreneur Council. I'll see you again soon for Business Breakfast 1 in 2015.
Happy, spinning, clapping, laughing, dancing in the blackness of magic. Get it, have it, bag it, throw yourself on the airplane and fly